Good evening and welcome to Shooting a Shave. It's good to be back here, good to be making another video. And for tonight's shave, the brush is going to be the RazoRock Bruce. New brush to the den here. I think the knot size is 24 millimeters and it's a synthetic brush. Another new addition to the den, the razor is the RazoRock Hawk here. This is my first single edge razor and the blades in there, or the blade in there, excuse me, is the Kai Pink. And this is the second use on this blade, so I hear you can get a lot of shaves out of these blades, so I'm going to see how many shaves I can get out of it before I have to change it. And the soap tonight is the soap tonight was an exclusive release to a Facebook group called Razor and Brush, and it is Caties Bubbles Greek Fire. So the soap is soft, so I'm going to get some water on my face here and just rub some of the soap into the cheeks and then a little into the brush. And we'll go for a face lather. Reason I don't like to put the brush into a soft soap like that is because I'm afraid over time that it'll damage the soap and cause the soap to break down. Alright, so scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale is definitely a 7. Scent notes in it are cineol, myrtle essential oil, and there's one more in there. Sorry, having a brain fart, can't remember what it is. Myrtle essential oil, cineol, and menthol pressed from corn mint. There we go. So that's the scent notes in it. Let me go ahead and go into a face lather here. What I'm smelling in it has a scent similar to that of rosemary. Even though there's no rosemary in it, that's what it kind of smells like when I smell it. And for being a mentholated soap, it's not overpowering. It's strong, but it's not too strong to where you're going to cry when you're shaving. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm not a huge fan of overly mentholated soaps. A little water. I didn't really use that much of a dollop of soap. That's really, the lather here is exploding nicely. Very nice lather. All right, that looks good. Then go with the first pass here. So the blades in this razor, I don't know why I keep saying blades. I'm sorry, it's not blades. The blade in this razor is a very mild. It has a very mild feel to it. I've heard that these razors can be very aggressive, but so far it's been feeling pretty mild. It's not aggressive at all. It's actually a very smooth shaver. All right, let me do a real quick feel about here. Nice first pass. I could probably pick it all up with a second pass and be done with it. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, this soap is super, super cooling. It's got a nice cool, like I said before, super cooling effect to the face, but not over the top to where you're gonna cry when you use it. A little water, a little more water in there. All right, gonna go second pass. So, how's everybody doing? I hope you guys are all well. Hope your shaves are going well. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. We just had guests over. They just left not too long ago. We had them over for an early Thanksgiving dinner. It was my side of the family that we had over, and we're doing Lisa's side of the family next week. Hardly any feedback at all, man. I mean, I pretty much picked all that up in the first pass. All right, let me rinse up here. What do you feel about? Not a whole lot to pick up. Just gonna touch up a couple of spots here and we'll call it a night. Yeah, the blade in this razor is super smooth. This could easily be a daily shaver for me. Perfect. I'm gonna clean up the sink, clean up my gear. I'll see you guys for post-shave. So for post-shave tonight, I'm gonna go with a Thayer's Witch-hazel. Real healthy dose. Aftershave splash dye is going to be the Proraso green here. Healthy dose. Complements the soap that I use tonight very nicely. Hardly any burn too. So good shave. Another sign of a good shave. And post-shave balm tonight is going to be the Proraso green. Decent sized dose here. Overall, very nice shave tonight. Not completely BBS, but good enough for me. So recap of what I used tonight, went with the RazoRock Bruce here. Soap tonight was the Caties Bubbles Creek Fire. And the razor tonight was the RazoRock Hawk here. For PostShave, went with the Thayer's Witch-hazel. Proraso Green Aftershave Splash. And I went with PostShave Balm Proraso Green. That's going to do it for this shave. Hope you guys all have a great week. Have great shaves. I'll see you again soon for another video. Take care.